Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you can pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is, do you have bad practices in your vendor process? Get your score. Now, this directly came from a phone conversation that I had today where an assistant controller told me that as far as their vendor processes, they're fine. And right after I got off of the phone, I went to their website and lo and behold, they had a copy of their vendor banking form for, the vendors or the fraudsters or whomever to download. And so what I immediately did was came up with a survey quiz, 10 questions that are all either bad practices or good practices that you should be doing to avoid fraud, fines, and bad vendor data. Because maybe you don't know that you should or should not be doing something. And the 10 questions that I asked are the 10 most prevalent things that I see that vendor teams do that they shouldn't do or don't do that they should do. And so I am going to leave a link to that 10 questions so that you can get your score. Now, at the end of the 10 questions, I have an option where you can meet with me if you would like to talk about recommendations, or maybe you don't agree with something that I had there. But you absolutely don't need to do that. When you go through those 10 questions, the way that I have them worded will actually lead you in the right direction of what you should be doing. So go ahead and click the link that'll be in the description, and I hope your score will be high. All right, so a quick one today. If you'd like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, fines, and bad vendor data. And if you would like over 149 annual hours of training for your vendor team, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.